Yo, what's up, Mole Bunch? Welcome back. Welcome back to yet another reaction. Okay, I've actually reacted to this song, and I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna react to it again because it's one of my favorite song. With my favorite artist, Grin and Your Maps. Man, these guys, they made fire magic. Okay, so it deserves to be reacted to as much as I possibly can. Okay, I'll don't be surprised if you see me reacting to it again because it's one of my favorite songs. So let's get to it. If you are here for the first time, Zina Langa the TT, Dimankala Kuno Kuyase, Koma, Dimachogera Kubo, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so don't miss any of the uploads.
Why not go out there and work all the time for you?
I'm trying. You don't have to do it.
In the middle of the night.
You don't do anything. You don't work, you don't do anything. You just stay in this house.
This was a movie.
So I was telling him, like, you can't do such a thing.
Yeah, I'm leaving.
Samson!
Who's this? Do you know this guy?
Babe, don't worry. This is just my useless ex.
Yeah, no. Useless indeed.
Useless indeed. Yo, this song does not win. This song is supposed to win an award in Zambia and in Malawi. Let me know if you have already done that, or at least a nomination.
Yeah, I didn't know permanent. Zafuna mamuna wa permanent. I didn't even know mamuna wa jizungu. Wama benzi na mamanshon. Alina chuma na kasivi Opuzila na kakasi Apa muna kwatila na Sochiribwa Nivela mongala kukomoni Naide mulungu anisunga Nina kwatila na tuwana Nina vela kutivi nasila Mamuna wako ni mambala Solio, solio Hey, so vela mwanju katamba pa TV ya kwewe Unasanka mamuna wa TV not nanzenu Uline wazona fanga Bani tenda bena boziwa Somone, somone So vela mwanju katamba pa TV ya kwewe Unasanka mamuna wa benzi not nanzenu
Like the producer of the song, I don't know if I gave you a shout out last time. You did a great job. The videographers as well, you know what I mean? So round of applause to the videographers again. Because everybody killed on this one, man. Your Maps, Grin, the fashion people, the lights, everything just worked out. This is why this video deserves an award. Okay, it deserves awards from all these countries, and the people that were working behind the scenes as well, they also deserve some award, some kind of something, compensation. Round of applause to everybody, you know. So actually I've reacted to this song, I've listened to it so many times, so this is just for vibes.
Nikafasa zizateka Nanisia chabeweka Hapa ufuna tibwerane Namuza usameka Nikafasa zizateka Nanisia chabeweka Hapa ufuna tibwerane Sotiriba Nagula nyumba kufoteti Adebahanga ni azungu Dalamazanga ni za chizungu.
I want to go to 43, right? That's what he's saying. He bought a house in 43. I like that accent right of the sound, man.
apa ufuna tibwera sochilipa nakula nyumba kufoteti alebanga ndi azungu ndalama zanga ndi za chizungu sochilipa nakula nyumba kufoteti alebanga ndi azungu ndalama zanga ndi za chizungu sovera bwanjuka ndamba pa TV yako iwe unasanga mamuna wa TV not nanzelu muline wazaona faka bani tenga bena boziwa somone sovera bwanjuka ndamba pa TV yako iwe unasanga mamuna wa benzi not nanzelu muline wazaona moa bani tenga bena boziwa somone wamanga bwanji manyumbaya baby hold on mukazi wa muchosa kuti owa mauyo yaja benzi ninakola manshoni ninamanga nakasivi ninapanga sochilipa nakula nyumba kufoteti
like come on. This is crazy, man.
nakula nyumba kufoteti alebanga ndi azungu ndalama zanga ndi za
Oh, I remember what's that guy's name? The other artist from Malawi was having an issue with that line of saying, you know, like ndalama zanga ndi za chizungu, like my money is, you know, white money. And he was like, that thing is rubbing me the wrong way. But yeah, it was a thing that almost became a thing. But I was like, you know, he's not wrong. So they're both not wrong. Anyway.
Sovera bwanjuka ndamba pa TV yako iwe unasanga mamuna wa TV not nanzelu muline wazaona faka bani tenga bena boziwa somone
Hey, Grow Your Maps. That's a beautiful song, man. It's always gonna be my favorite. Actually, I have so many favorite songs that I'm going to be reacting to on this channel just because, you know, because they're my favorite. Thank you so much for watching this video. I don't know if I said this earlier, but if you're here for the first time, smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so don't miss any of the uploads on this channel, and go check out Grin or Your Maps YouTube page, because these guys are like legends in their own right. They're making really good music, good videos, good vibes, and they're really cool dudes, you know what I mean? So yeah, go out there, support them, subscribe to their channels, support their music, watch their videos, because they produce like top quality videos. And I think recently Your Maps has a song with Omario. It's like a video, so you know he's big like that. I'll see you guys on the other side.